Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make a fading gradient transparent effect in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and import your photo. Go to the Layers panel, hold down the Alt key and click on the image layer. Then, click on the mask icon at the bottom of the panel. This will add a white mask next to your photo. Now make sure the white mask is selected. Go to the toolbar and choose the Gradient tool. Then, click on the Gradient preview bar at the top. From the list, choose the last gradient, which usually goes from black to white. Next, check the top settings. Set the mode to normal and make sure both the reverse and dither options are not selected. Now, hold the Shift key and draw a straight vertical line over your image. This will apply the gradient effect and part of your image will start fading into transparency. After that, click on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Solid Color. Pick any color you want to use as your background. Once selected, drag this new color fill layer below your photo layer in the Layers panel. You'll now see your image fading smoothly into the color you picked, creating a soft, transparent gradient effect. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.